Miss Jubair Villamor from Sorsogon.
You have picked Miss Mickey Santiago.
Hi, good evening. How are you?
Good evening, Mom.
Okay, here you go. If you could speak to your younger self who was afraid to come out, what would you tell them? Once again, if you could speak to your younger self who was afraid to come out, what would you tell them?
If I could speak to my younger version of myself about being afraid of how I come out, I will definitely say right now that you are differently gorgeous, unique, and you may be the next Mutya ng Tabakla 2025. I want to share my story, my personal story that is disheartening, but at the same time, it is my defining experience. Way back that I am a kid, I've always experienced discrimination, criticisms, and judgment because of my gender expression. But over the course of time, I learned the essence of self-love. Because of self-love, I learned to discover my true self. Self-love is imperative. It is not just an emotion. It is a necessity to discover your own true self. I am a transgender woman right now. And because of self-love, I've discovered my potential. My presence here in this stage is not just a mere participation, but my presence can ignite a sense of hope, sense of resilience to every youth and transgender woman. And my presence is a great display of a true Bicolana, a true Oragon, that I am courageous enough to become a transgender woman, to challenge the standard of society and not to give up on conformity. Therefore, I believe that the younger version of myself is very happy because I am now right here standing in front of you. Now, as I move forward, I will always carry and harness the power of self-love to inspire hope, foster love, and to create a ripple effect of positivity and love that will truly resonate far beyond this stage. Thank you so much.
Now let's go on candidate number 14, Mia Angela Ranyosa from OWAS Albay.
Isa sa pinakamagandang mukha sa gabing ito, haya. She has picked Mix Rafael Calios. Good evening, sir.
Okay, good evening, Miss Uwas.
Good evening, sir, and
Okay.
nice meeting you again.
Okay, this is my question. It is said that life is our greatest teacher. What lesson can you share and inspire us in our odyssey to life? To repeat, it is said that life is our greatest teacher. What lesson can you share and inspire us in our odyssey to life?
Thank you so much for that very challenging and wonderful question, sir. Good evening, people of Tobacco City. I have my own odyssey to create and share a story to each and every one of you. It has been my fourth time of joining Mutyanang Tabakla beauty pageant. And I would like to bring this aspect to all the people that I want to be an inspiration to each and every one. That whenever you fail, there's always a reason to go up. Let us always remember, ladies and gentlemen, that this life has a lot of challenges, circumstances in life. But let us always remember that in every challenges, there would always be a hope. I would like all of you, for me to be remembered as someone who never give up on my dreams, because Mutyanang Tabakla beauty pageant would always be my dream. Thank you so much.
Mamang, now let's have our next candidate all the way from Pangasinan, candidate number 20, ML Tukay.
Again, one of the most beautiful face. Ayan, ang ganda.
Well, Miss ML, please pick your question.
The judge she picked is Attorney Jovito Coderes.
During festivals, you would notice that we commonly hold pageants for men pageants for women, pageants for trans women and gays. Since lesbians and trans men are also clamoring for recognition, fair and equal treatment, my question to you now is, how can you convince lesbians and trans men that they are equally treated, fairly cherished, and recognized?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, or good evening, should I say. The question that was given to me is that, how can I convince these lesbians and trans men that they too are being recognized and treated with fairness and equality? 1969, when the first protest of Stonewall riot was held in New York, it made an impactful meaning towards the life of every single LGBTQIA+ community. And from back then up until today, we are fighting for equal rights, equal opportunity. The tagline that we use is LGBT, and the first letter is lesbian, which means that what the transgender people are fighting, what the gay people are fighting, is we are fighting too for our sisters who are lesbian and trans men. Now, to answer the question, how would I convince them that they too are being treated with fairness and equality? It is simply by sharing them the story of these 20 beautiful candidates standing on your very stage. We are neglected. We are discriminated because we wanted to be who we are. We wanted to be proud of ourselves, and we have shown color to this world. But because of us being proud of being who we are shamed. We are ridiculed, and we are dragged down by people. But then again, my dear brothers and sisters, lesbian and trans men, it is the time that you understand that what we are fighting for is your battle too. Dahil ang laban ng bawat bakla, ang bawan at ang laban ng bawat transgender ay laban ng ating komunidad. Madalas sa ating komunidad, tahimik sila. Madalas sila ay nasa sulok lamang, nakamasid at nakikinig sa kung anong nangyayari. Ngunit lagi ninyong tatandaan na sa puso namin, hindi lamang kami, ngunit kayo ay patuloy din naming ipinaglalaban tungo sa patas na pagtanggap. Kaya naman, Tabaco City, uuwi ako ng probinsya ng Pangasinan, babaunin ko ang isang aral mula sa inyong napakagandang katanungan. Ito ay dapat nating itanim sa ating puso at isipan na ano o sino ka man, ano man ang yunap sa pagitan ng iyong mga hita, hindi yan ang magiging dahilan upang matutunan natin kung anong ating pinaglalaban. Lagi nating tatandaan na kailanman ang ating ipinagpupugay ay ang patas na pagtanggap at pagkakapantay-pantay ng wala sa kasarian. That is why I would like you to understand that we came here from different provinces, different places, to prove everyone that lesbians and trans men too are being fighted, being valued, and being loved by people that surrounds us. Again, this is not just a one-person battle. This is not just a one journey, but a journey towards a destination that we want to achieve. That whether who or what we are, one day, maybe not now, but someday, we will proudly raise our flag that who or what we are, we should be loved, respected, and accepted. Good evening.
Ang ating first question ay galing kay Honorable Percy Sindanya ng Akbayan Party List Representative, one of the most avid advocates and champions for equality sa ating LGBT community.
Ipinagdiriwang natin ang Women's Month tuwing Marso. Pero may mga nagsasabi na hindi daw dapat isali ang trans women dahil may Pride Month naman daw tayo. Kapatid, ang aking bonggang-bonggang tanong sa iyo ay, bilang transgender woman, kung isa lang ang maaari mong ipagdiwang, anong pipiliin mo? Women's Month or ang Pride Month?
Thank you so much for the wonderful question. The question that was given to me by Honorable Percy, bilang isang transgender woman, kung isa lang ang maaari kong piliin, ano ang pipiliin ko? Ang Women's Month o Pride Month? You know what, ladies and gentlemen, as a trans woman, it is never easy to wake up with a lot of discriminations. It is never easy to wake up with all of the prejudiced people around me. But if I were to choose what to celebrate, without a doubt and without selfishness, I will choose to celebrate Women's Month. Why? Because I have a mother, I have a sister, and I respect them with all of my heart. If I didn't choose Pride Month, that doesn't mean that I am not proud of myself. But that's just how I respect the biological woman. That is the reason why I am here. Ang pagse-celebrate ng Women's Month ay isa lamang sa dahilan at maibibigay kong pagpupugay sa isang katangi-tanging babae na dahilan kung bakit ako may buhay at bakit ako may hininga. You know what, ladies and gentlemen? Pride Month doesn't happen only in June. It happens every day because Pride Month is not just a celebration, but it is a protest. Protest that we are all equal, we are all child of God, and just like men and women, we all have our equal rights. We don't need to wait for June to celebrate Pride Month because every day is a battle of our life towards acceptance. So to sum it up all, I will choose to celebrate Women's Month because I believe that at the end of the day, still, trans women are women. Thank you. Have a good night. Tabako Albay.
We have candidate number 17, Mika Mirara Kalingasyon from the city of Tabaco. And I believe you have picked a video question. It is from...
One of the most famous and controversial TikTok creator and blogger and Facebook.
Garo naman ini.
yeah.
Please welcome Mr. Billy Balin.
Sawadee ka! Happy Pride Month, mga kapatid! Candidate number, ito po ang ating katanungan sa iyo. Gaano kahalaga ang konsepto ng lalaki sa kaligayahan ng isang bakla? Again, gaano kahalaga ang konsepto ng lalaki sa kaligayahan ng isang bakla?
Maraming salamat dahil itong tanong ay napakalapit sa aking puso. Ang konsepto ng isang pagmamahal o kahalagahan ng isang lalaki sa bakla ay hindi lamang sa isang relasyon, kundi sa isang ama. Ladies and gentlemen, simula elementary hanggang high school, never pong pumunta ang aking ama sa meeting o sa recognition. However, andito po siya kasama ang aking ina. And that is actually one of my success today. Isa na akong winner. At isang baklang anak ay isa ring mahalaga dahil na nagpapatunay na meron akong isang amang nagtaguyod at nagtanggap ng buong buhay ko. Maraming salamat, Papa.